welcome back to the Electric Circus. I promised you a performance, and here it is. It is from a band called V.I.P.
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 Voices in public.
All-guy pop sensation, V.I.P.
Canadian singing group, V.I.P.
We have with us tonight the hottest teen sensation in Canada. They have a huge hit on their hands. It's called Just My Luck. Give it up, Toronto, for V.I.P.
She's got someone else in mind. It's just my luck. It happens all the time. Does it have to be this way for me? Hell yeah, 'cause it's just my luck. Was meant to do my favorite song. When I saw her looking at me.
Who wrote that song?
We all did.
It's brilliant, it's funny, and it's so real.
It's sort of an a cappella put to music.
That's sort of the way we got started anyways. We got together in high school and started singing a cappella. Then it was like just kind of progressed where we started adding music in. And we got to work with some great producers and great writers on this album.
I could never, ever hate you. Time after time, we've tried to work this through.
Do you think you're ready for V.I.P.? Well, you better be, Canada, because these guys are here to stay.
You talk a little too much about Michael, 'cause if he's all that you have to talk about, I just know that he's all that you dream about. It's breaking my heart, 'cause there is no doubt you'd rather be with Michael.
Every time I'm near you, it's like there's no one around. People talking to me, but I don't hear a sound.
I want it, I need it. You think that you're ready? You think you're ready?
Being together for 7 years, we've been through thick and thin. We believe in the songwriting on the album. We believe in the chemistry within the guys here, and we think we have something original and new to offer.
When we tour across Canada, we get a chance to meet the fans face to face, which is something that we really enjoy. And one of the greatest things about the business that we're in is that you get to meet all these people.
The fact that we get to do this and live this experience and share the music with so many other people, it's like absolutely unbelievable.
You're open, you're honest, the fans love you.
Must be my nature to want ya. Tell me what can I say? Don't turn this heart away. It's just my nature. Could have searched forever, girl, and never realized that I could feel this way. When I look in your eyes, now I got you all alone. I think the moment's right. I'll do what it takes to make you mine tonight.
This week we're hanging out in Niagara Falls, Ontario, at the grand opening of Planet Hollywood.
It's just my luck, she's got someone else in mind. It's just my luck, it happens all the time. Does it have to be this way for me? Hell yeah, 'cause it's just my luck.